If you've ever wondered how to become a millionaire, you've probably come across numerous tips about saving money, investing wisely, or even starting your own business. However, there is something important that is often left out. There are little-known secrets that can truly make a difference in your journey toward financial success. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Throughout this video, you will discover how the concept of the performance gap may be the key to closing the distance between where you are and where you want to be financially. We will explore essential topics that go far beyond what is usually discussed about accumulating wealth. Of course, saving and investing are fundamental, but what will truly make the difference is adopting the right mindset, building a strategic network of contacts, diversifying your investments, and, most importantly, maintaining balance in your personal life while following this path. In this content, you'll understand why your mindset can literally shape your financial destiny. More than just thinking about opportunities, you'll learn how to recognize them and, more importantly, how to seize those opportunities intelligently. We'll talk about the importance of diversifying your investments strategically, not putting all your eggs in one basket. The idea here is to provide a comprehensive guide that goes far beyond conventional tips. Additionally, we will discuss behavioral economics, a science that explains how our emotions and biases influence our financial decisions. This will help you avoid common psychological traps that can hinder the growth of your wealth. We'll also dive deep into networking, and you'll see how building strategic partnerships can open doors and exponentially accelerate your success. If you're tired of hearing the same financial recommendations and are ready for something that will truly transform your life, then you're in the right place. This is not just an ordinary video about getting rich. It's a robust and practical guide that you can apply immediately to master 2025 and beyond. Part 1. Closing the performance gap. The performance gap is a concept that few explore when it comes to achieving financial success. Basically, it represents the difference between where you are today, financially speaking, and where you want to be. Everyone has this gap, but what differentiates those who manage to close it is consistency in actions and efficient planning. For example, imagine you want to have a net worth of $1 million, but today you only have a few savings in the bank. The gap is large, right? The point here is not to focus on the size of the gap, but rather on the actions you can take daily to reduce it. This involves not only saving and investing, but also how you choose to think and act regarding money. Closing this gap requires an abundance mindset, something we will discuss later. And, of course, it also requires a solid plan. The first practical step is to honestly assess where you are now. From there, draw up a detailed and realistic plan for how to reach your financial goal. Be specific. What actions will you take every day, every week? The important thing is to be consistent, even if progress seems small. Part 2. The importance of an abundance mindset. Now, let's talk about something that goes far beyond the numbers in your bank account. Your mindset. The abundance mindset is the belief that there are enough opportunities for everyone and that financial success is not a limited resource. It's this mindset that allows you to see possibilities where others only see problems. Shifting to an abundance mindset is not something that happens overnight, but it is essential for achieving success. There are some practices that can help you with this transformation. One of them is the exercise of visualization. Imagine yourself already having achieved your goals. Feel the emotions that would come with it. Another important point is to make daily affirmations that reinforce your positive beliefs about money and success. There are many examples of people who radically changed their lives by adopting this mindset. Entrepreneurs who started from scratch faced financial challenges, but by seeing the world as full of opportunities, managed to build fortunes. A good example is Oprah Winfrey, who, despite coming from an extremely difficult childhood, not only became successful but also built an empire. She attributes much of her success to the abundance mindset. Part 3. Networking and strategic partnerships. If there is one thing you need to understand in the world of business and finance, it's that often it's not about what you know but who you know. Networking, or building a network of contacts, can be the decisive factor between rapid advancement in your financial career and staying stagnant. Those who know how to build and nurture strategic relationships often open doors that other people didn't even know existed. Think about it. How many times have you heard of someone who landed a big contract, a promotion, or even an investment opportunity just by knowing the right people? This is where the old saying, "No man is an island," makes perfect sense. In the business world, being surrounded by a solid network of contacts can be the difference that leads you to new opportunities, profitable collaborations, and even greater visibility in the market. Now, the question you may be asking is, how do I start building this valuable network? Well, the first step is to put yourself in the right environments. Attending industry events, workshops, and even informal meetings with influential people in your field can be a great start. But the real secret to creating lasting connections is simple. Offer value before asking for something in return. When you enter a new business relationship by offering something useful, whether it's knowledge, support, or even a solution to a problem, you become a valuable presence in that person's life. A practical example of how this can work is a young entrepreneur who wants to connect with an experienced investor. Instead of simply asking for a meeting or investment, they could study the problems the investor is facing in their company or portfolio and offer a practical solution. This approach creates a much stronger relationship and increases the chances of a fruitful partnership in the future. Remember, networking is not just about what you can get, but also about what you can give. Now, let's talk about strategic partnerships. Often, to reach the next financial level, you need to partner with other people or companies. When you form a partnership with someone who complements your skills or resources, growth can be exponential. Partnerships allow you to share risks, divide responsibilities, and expand the reach of your actions more efficiently. Successful companies and entrepreneurs have long understood this and have used alliances to accelerate their results. An excellent example of a successful strategic partnership is the collaboration between Nike and Apple. Nike, being one of the largest sports brands in the world, teamed up with Apple to launch products like the Nike Plus iPod, a tool that combines sports and technology in an innovative way. This partnership not only expanded the reach of both companies, but also created a new experience for their consumers, generating millions in revenue for both. Ultimately, building and nurturing a powerful network of contacts, as well as establishing strategic partnerships, are crucial steps for those who want to achieve financial success. It's not just about adding skills, but multiplying opportunities. And the best part? The right opportunities can find you when you position yourself in the right places and offer value to the world. Part 4. Smart investment diversification. When we talk about investments, a golden rule that always comes up is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This may sound like a cliché, but the reality is that diversifying your investments is one of the safest and smartest ways to protect your wealth and ensure multiple sources of income. Diversification is not just about investing in different types of stocks, but about exploring a range of assets that can work together to minimize risks and increase your chances of long-term financial success. Diversifying means spreading your resources across various areas so that you're not vulnerable to the fluctuations of a single sector. For example, if you put all your money in the stock market, you're exposing yourself to the volatility of that market, which can rise or fall drastically. On the other hand, if part of your capital is in stocks, another part in real estate, another in cryptocurrencies, and perhaps even in a digital business, you're building a safety net that can sustain your wealth even if one of those assets isn't performing well. Now, let's explore some areas where you can diversify your investment portfolio. A classic and solid example is the real estate market. Investing in real estate not only offers the potential for appreciation over time, but can also generate consistent passive income through rentals. Moreover, real estate tends to be more stable compared to other types of investments, which can balance the more volatile parts of your portfolio. Another sector that has been gaining a lot of popularity is cryptocurrencies. Although it's a highly volatile market with extreme drops and peaks, it also offers opportunities for high returns. The key here, however, is to invest cautiously and understand the risks involved. A good practice is to allocate only a small portion of your capital to cryptocurrencies, since they are still seen as speculative investments. If the crypto market booms positively, this small part can generate significant profits without compromising your entire wealth. And we can't forget to talk about digital businesses and startups. With technology advancing rapidly, investing in online businesses or startups with growth potential can be an excellent way to diversify your portfolio. A digital business has the benefit of rapid scalability, with relatively low operational costs compared to traditional companies. This means you can see significant returns in a short time if you bet on the right companies. So why is diversification so essential? Imagine you put all your capital into a single type of investment, say, in stocks of a major technology company. If this company faces a crisis, your entire portfolio could be devastated. By diversifying, you spread the risk. If stocks fall, but your real estate continues to appreciate, and your cryptocurrency holdings remain stable, the financial hit is much smaller. Instead of losing everything, you're protected on multiple fronts. If you're just starting and don't yet have large sums of capital, don't worry. Diversification is still possible with small investments. Today, there are many platforms that allow you to invest in real estate through crowdfunding or in investment funds with low entry costs. You can also start with small cryptocurrency contributions, learn how the market works, and gradually increase your investments as you gain more confidence. The key is to start and adjust your strategy over time. Diversification is a powerful tool for achieving financial security and growth. It protects you from severe losses while opening doors to multiple income streams. And as you progress in your investment journey, remember to constantly review your portfolio and adjust your diversification strategy, ensuring that it remains aligned with your long-term goals. Part 5. Balancing financial success with personal life. It is very common to associate financial success with a life of extreme sacrifices. How many times have we heard that, to achieve wealth, you need to work tirelessly, dedicate all your waking hours to business, and put aside any personal life? While effort is crucial, achieving true financial success doesn't mean neglecting your health, relationships, or happiness. The secret is finding a sustainable balance. The truth is, it's no good achieving great wealth if, in the process, you distance yourself from your family, neglect your health, or lose the joy of living. Financial success should not be viewed as a marathon of exhaustion, but as a balanced journey where the ultimate goal is to enjoy a full and fulfilling life. Many successful entrepreneurs and investors end up learning this the hard way, realizing that despite all the wealth they accumulated, they were unsatisfied and exhausted. To manage this balance, it is important to develop a clear strategy for managing your time and resources. Here are some practical steps that can help you maintain financial success while also taking care of your personal life. First, set limits on your working hours. Yes, working hard is important, but it doesn't have to be 24 hours a day. Create a schedule where you can dedicate yourself entirely to your financial goals, and then disconnect. Use the remaining time to take care of your health, spend quality time with your family, and engage in activities that bring you joy and rest. Another tip is to use your energy efficiently. Often, people dedicate themselves to several tasks at once, without focus, which generates fatigue without concrete results. Organize your priorities. Focus on a few high-impact activities that will generate the greatest financial return, and leave aside what is not significantly contributing to your goals. This will give you more free time without compromising your progress towards success. Stories of entrepreneurs who have found this balance are inspiring and show that it is possible to have it all: financial success and a rich personal life. For example, Elon Musk, known for his intense work pace, had to learn to delegate tasks and reorganize his schedule to spend more time with his children. Mark Zuckerberg also committed to taking daily moments to exercise and disconnect from work. They are examples that, with planning and discipline, it is possible to find a healthy balance. Finding this balance will not only improve your quality of life, but will also make you more efficient and creative in business. When your mind and body are in sync, your financial decisions become clearer and more assertive. Remember, true success is the one that allows you to fully enjoy everything you've achieved. Part 6. Behavioral economics. When we think about finances, numbers, calculations, and rational strategies usually come to mind. However, what many people don't realize is that a large part of our financial decisions is influenced by emotional and psychological factors. This is where behavioral economics comes in, a field that studies how our emotions and cognitive biases affect the choices we make with our money. The concept of behavioral economics goes beyond traditional laws of supply and demand. It explores how, in practice, people tend to make irrational decisions when it comes to money, often influenced by factors they don't even realize. A classic example of this is confirmation bias. This is the phenomenon where people seek and interpret information in a way that confirms their pre-existing beliefs, ignoring facts that might contradict their views. This can be disastrous in the world of investments. Imagine you've bought shares in a declining company, but instead of selling when the signs indicate trouble, you only look for news that reinforces the idea that the price will go up, which can lead to significant losses. Another common bias is anchoring, where people rely on an initial reference when making financial decisions, even if that reference is irrelevant. For example, if you hear that a particular stock reached $100 per share last year, you may anchor that number as a value expectation, ignoring the new economic context that may have completely changed the current scenario. This can lead you to make misguided decisions, buying or selling assets based on irrelevant comparisons. So how can we overcome these behavioral biases that often sabotage our finances? The first step is simple: be aware of them. Recognizing that your decisions are often emotionally influenced is the first step to making more rational choices. Another effective way to avoid these biases is to seek objective and unbiased sources of information. Instead of relying only on what you want to believe, consult experts, read detailed financial studies, and talk to mentors who can offer a more critical view of your decisions. Additionally, keeping a financial journal can be a powerful tool. Writing down your investment decisions and the reasons behind each one can help you identify behavior patterns over time. That way, when a similar situation arises in the future, you can analyze it more coolly and calculatedly, reducing the impact of emotional biases. In short, behavioral economics shows us that we are all vulnerable to financial decisions based on emotions and distorted perceptions. But by understanding these biases and implementing strategies to overcome them, you can make smarter decisions and avoid common pitfalls that hinder your financial progress. We have reached the end of this guide, and now you have the main tools to transform your financial life and start walking the path to success. Throughout this video, we've talked about how to close the performance gap, which is the space between where you are now and where you want to be. We've explored the importance of an abundance mindset, how to build a strategic network of contacts, the smart diversification of your investments, the balance between financial success and personal life, and how behavioral economics can impact your decisions. Everything starts with the mindset. If you believe that success is limited and scarce, you will hardly achieve great things. However, by adopting an abundance perspective, you open yourself up to the opportunities around you. At the same time, investing in networking can be a game changer. Building relationships with the right people can significantly accelerate your success, opening doors you never imagined. Another crucial point we discussed was the importance of diversification. Not putting all your eggs in one basket is key to protecting your wealth and ensuring multiple sources of income. Additionally, it is essential to find a healthy balance between pursuing your financial goals and living a rich and fulfilling personal life. Financial success doesn't have to come at the cost of your health, relationships, or happiness. The key to success lies in action. Choose one aspect of what we discussed today, whether it's improving your mindset, starting to diversify your investments, or becoming more aware of your behavioral biases, and begin implementing it in your life right now. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep learning more about how to achieve financial success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.